What's up, IMers? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you a underutilized feature that WordPress has that you can use to leverage for free traffic. Now, before we continue, this is part 3 of a series I've created. I have videos on the top left or right of this video. Also, I have a link to the playlist down below for all of the videos. They're all free. Okay, this is something that you need to optimize to take advantage of WordPress's underground search engine. Now, if you didn't know this, WordPress has an underground search engine. As you can see here, it's called Reader. You click Reader, and it comes up with a little search bar that you can actually type in whatever niche you're in, whatever questions you may have, and it's going to give you related posts, right? Really good stuff. You can also add your tags, your niche related tags for your blog. On the side here, just click add and add them. And when you click on them, it's going to take you off to a list of posts that have to do with your tag. Okay, so Pinterest marketing, and of course in this list of posts, they're all about Pinterest marketing to one degree or another. Okay, so you comment, and I have more details about this in the videos below, but you comment on them, okay? And then hopefully they'll get approved. This one has yet to get approved, but once it gets approved, this will get traffic to your site, and there's a whole slew of benefits to this. People can subscribe to your blog, so every time you post content, if they have that email option turned on, they get an automatic email to their inbox with your new content. That's more traffic, okay? And there's kind of a reciprocity thing going on here, phenomenon going on here. When you like and follow other people's posts, they like and follow your posts, okay? But this is not about that, okay? This is about your Gravatar, okay? Now you want to optimize this thing. What's your Gravatar? This image right here. I'm gonna hover over it, and you can see this thing pops up, right? It has my name, it has my image. It talks about what I provide, what I do, and it has a call to action, right? Click on the view complete profile for more, okay? Now they click on this, and this is different because this is within my account, so it's going to look different for people who for people outside of my account, of course, right? My site is prominent. They're gonna click on this, and they're gonna shoot over to my site, hopefully opt in to my squeeze page. And yeah, you can put any link you want here, okay? Now, it's really important that I'm going to show you in this video how to optimize it to get more traffic to your site, hopefully more leads, conversions, and sales, okay? Let's check this out. I'm going to go, you want to go to Gravatar, okay, gravatar.com, okay? And it's free to create, okay? And this again, works with your WordPress blog, really important stuff. Once you do that, you can go to Profile, okay? You're going to put your name, public display name, and this is really important, okay? You're going to want to put what you provide, how you help people, regardless of the niche, okay? You want to use an emoji. I have the hand going this way, right? And then I have a CTA, call to action. Click on the view complete profile for more, right? This is very specific because the button, we don't have a choice on the type of button we get to use, but the button says view complete profile. So you want to say in your CTA, your call to action, view complete profile. Okay, click on that. Okay, really good stuff. And it's really easy to create. Like I said, you can do this in a flash, 100% free. And down below, you can add links to whatever you want. Add URL, for example. Okay, I recommend adding just one, or you can add multiple. But I recommend adding just one to your main squeeze page. Okay, you want to collect leads. Okay, you enter your name. Enter your URL to that squeeze page and a description. That's not really important. The important point is your Gravatar. Again, your image, your name, and a very powerful about me. Very short but powerful with an emoji. Okay, if you don't know where to get emojis, I always go to getomoji.com. I wonder if there's a Google Chrome extension. I should look this up after this video. A Google Chrome extension where I can get emojis, because I'm tired of going to this site. I feel it's a waste of time. Maybe I should make a get emoji what do you call it? Chrome extension. Anyways, that's besides the point. So that's how you create a gravatar that gets you more clicks, that gets you more hits to your site, and ultimately leads and sales. Okay, important though, before you go, make sure you subscribe. Okay, that goes without saying. And also check the playlist I have below, check the links I have below, check the links I have in this video, because it's all related. Okay, really important stuff. Take care, and I'll talk to you again. Bye bye.